electrifying, like magnets out in space. I feel your presence from miles away. We're moving faster to places we don't know, like chasing nowhere. Nowhere is our
This is the all-new Volvo S60. At launch, it comes in 3 trim levels. The R design, as shown here, as well as the luxurious and dynamic inscription and momentum. The S60 R design delivers a strong, expressive character, yet excels in its design refinement. Regardless of trim level, the S60 is a beautifully balanced car. This driver-oriented design has a long hood, a short front overhang, and a low grille. This all helps to visually emphasize the car's connection to the road. The slim, high-tech LED headlamps carry our iconic T-shape. It has been designed to break free from the main headlamp surround and interlock itself into the front bumper. This accentuates the car's width and creates an overall dynamic and powerful expression. The new S60 is longer and lower than its predecessor. It has been designed and engineered for the best wheel-to-body relationship. We have increased the wheelbase by pushing the front wheel forward away from the windscreen. This creates a dynamic and premium proportion and gives more presence to the design. The expression of a lightweight appearance was a key driving force in our development. This visual efficiency is what gives the S60 its great stance. It's a car that sits poised like an athlete, one who's ready to bolt from the starting blocks. Rims come in a variety of designs ranging from 17 to 20 inch. The S60's clean and athletically sculpted design allows the proportions to live. The body side has a soft yet prominent shoulder and a very deep waist. 2 key character lines span down the side of the car. One that originates above the headlamp and flows into the side window graphic, and the other pronounces the power over the rear wheels. In the rear, a prominent kick has been sculpted into the deck lid to improve the overall aerodynamics. The tail lamps carry on Volvo's signature look with the C-shaped graphic. They are slim in design and contain full LED technology as standard. The interior environment has a clean Scandinavian design with focus on lightweight proportions. The shape of the architecture purposefully squeezes the instrument panel over the passenger's center line. It is slim in height and stretches the width of the cabin. The interior shown here is in charcoal Napa leather with an open grid textile. This combination helps emphasize the striking chrome line of the instrument panel and overall sporty proportions. There's a powerful tension to the wing-shaped profile that supports the instrument panel. The metal mesh inlay provides a technical quality to the R design, while the contrasting stitching throughout the interior provides premium craftsmanship. The S60 interior design is focused around driving experience. The design is minimalistic and provides the driver with only the controls needed. Most of the functions are controlled via the steering wheel, displayed in the digital driver display, or in the optional head-up display. The R design has optional shifter paddles that provide engaging control at your fingertips. The low seating position and close cabin create a sporty feel, and this helps connect the driver to the road. The R design seats are more extreme in shape to provide a protective feeling with increased side support for a dynamic drive. The panoramic sunroof, designed specifically for the S60, floods the whole compartment with light. The 9-inch portrait display is your primary way to control navigation, phone, media, and car settings. These car settings can be saved in your individual driver profile. We've also integrated the use of different apps. It's very intuitive and easy to use. Voice control is another way you can handle many of these functions. Apple CarPlay or Android Auto offer a more seamless integration of your personal smartphone. Our Bowers & Wilkins audio system is a result of our close collaboration with this world-renowned name in audio. The system has 1,100 watts of power and 15 speakers throughout the cabin. Simply pure, powerful, and crystal clear sound. The Volvo S60 has a world-class chassis. The double wishbone front suspension and the rear integral link suspension secures a true premium driving experience. The S60 R design has a lowered sport chassis as standard. This focus on balance and poise gives the driver a well-crafted and engaging driving experience without compromising comfort on long-distance journeys. The car's characteristics can be individually adapted through the Drive Mode scroll wheel. For our optional 4C active chassis, this also controls the suspension characteristics. The new S60 is equipped with the latest safety technology. Our city safety systems detect cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and large animals both day and night. It can help avoid a crash by auto brake and by steering support for evasive maneuvers. In the S60, City Safety also detects and helps you brake for oncoming cars, which is a world first by Volvo. With our optional Pilot Assist system, you get even more driving support. Amongst other things, it helps you stay in lane and controls the distance to the vehicles in front of you. This R design has a powerful supercharged and turbocharged lightweight T6 engine configuration. It delivers a fuel-efficient output with all-wheel drive. Modern and uncompromised performance. The S60 will of course also come with the powerful Volvo T8 twin engine, a plug-in hybrid with a combined power output. Later on, there will also be a T6 twin-engine hybrid available. The new S60 is a modern and dynamic car for those who want an engaging driving experience with uncompromised comfort. It's refined and pure, beautifully balanced, and truly embraces the essence of Scandinavian design.